Good morning, guys. This is video 2. It's March the 7th, Saturday morning. It's about 10 minutes after 8. So we've got our bait and we're going to Randleman. And Randleman's been closed, you know, all winter long. They opened last Friday. This is the first time we were able to get down there. So I got my nephew with me, Jeremy, and basically, guys, I didn't really give a good introduction about, you know, what this video is about. But basically, this video is pertaining to, it is pertaining to everybody, but it's mostly pertaining to your everyday working guy. Works, you know, 5-6 days a week, and this is a very rare Saturday that we get off of work. So this is pertaining to, like I said, the guys that work 5 and 6 days a week that don't have time to scout fish, to you know, we're not retired, you know, we're just basically going down there, and whatever fish we see on the graph is what we fish for. It could be crappie, it could be white bass, it could be brim, it could be bass, you know, could be hybrid. Just depends on whatever we get into is basically what we target. So that's kind of where our videos, or that's where we're linking our videos. That's the people that, you know, we're really relate to, because, you know, we're not professionals. We just basically going out here to have fun and target whatever we can target for whatever time we got. So that's basically where we're at. So anyway, I got some, you know, I know it's probably pre-spawn and whatever the fish are doing. Like I said, we've been down there, so whatever fish we can target, if we can find them, we're going to catch them. Here we go, guys. We got one on the chatterbait, largemouth.
It ain't no giant, but good way to start the day. Put a little baby in the boat. Alright everybody, so here's a current update. It's windy. It is real windy out here. It was white capping earlier. Hopefully it's starting to calm down some. We've got one fish in the boat. We've only been out here about 20 minutes, so we know they're here. It's just a matter of catching them with all the wind and not drifting around everywhere. So we'll keep you updated.
Look at the belly on her. Look at there. There, just pull down a little deeper. Throw her in the box. Throw her in the live well.
So Craig made a good observation, and you know, take it for what it's worth, but looking at the electronics we got, we noticed there's a ton of bait fish down there, and more than you would normally see. And normally I would think that, you know, bait fish, it's a good thing. Only thing that that we're thinking, if they have an unlimited supply of bait fish down there they're feeding on, what is gonna make our little minnows look different? What's gonna attract them to ours versus all the bait fish that's down there? They're overloaded. Don't know if that if that's true or if that's just a little observation, but it's definitely a possibility because it's slowed down. So we might throw on some different crappie jigs, something that looks a little different, give them a little bit of a variety, and see where that goes.
See that belly on her? I mean, this is where we're at. Sure, guys.
Alright, so we're heading home from Randleman. We got some big crappie. We put some in the boat. We didn't put down any kind of crazy numbers, but light's starting to get a little low and we got to be off the water here shortly. So we're going to leave it off at that. Pretty successful day overall. And we see y'all next time.